In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Wise card to Apple Wallet, ensuring seamless transactions and easy access to all your funds on the go. Now, before we begin, it's important to note that these steps require you to have already registered and logged into your Wise app. If you haven't done that yet, be sure to take care of it first so you can follow along smoothly with the rest of this guide. To kick things off, you'll want to download the Wise app from the App Store. If it's not already installed on your device, head over to the App Store, search for Wise, and hit that download button. Once the download is complete, you'll need to go through the registration process if you haven't done so already. This involves entering your details and setting up your account, which is straightforward but essential for accessing all the app's features. Once you're registered and logged in, navigate to the main screen of the Wise app. Here, you're going to want to focus your attention on the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll find a section labeled Cards. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where all the magic happens. After tapping Cards, you should see an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Select this button to proceed with adding your Wise card to your digital wallet. Now you'll be asked to confirm your card details. Make sure that everything looks correct, as this ensures that your card will be added without any hitches. After confirmation, you'll be presented with the terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these carefully to understand the agreement you're entering into, even though it might seem tempting to just breeze through. Once you've read and accepted the terms and conditions, your Wise card will automatically be added to your Apple Wallet. This means you won't need to fumble around searching for it when you reach the register or checkout page. Instead, with a simple tap on your device, your card will be ready to use directly from your wallet, allowing you to enjoy a streamlined and efficient payment experience. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, your Wise card is now securely stored in your Apple Wallet, making payments quicker and easier than ever before. Whether you're shopping online or purchasing in-store, you'll now have the convenience of using your Wise card effortlessly with just your device. If you encounter any issues, ensure that you are using the latest version of the Wise app and that your Apple Wallet is up to date as well. Thanks for watching and happy spending.